Let's make some mango pickle, which is quite easy, quickly done. So we need for mangoes. तर आयज आमी आमच्या आंब्याचें लोणचें करुया, सिंपल and easy. So एका बरे भाशेन धुवन घेवया and then we have to cut it into fine. So here I have cut this. Now we need 4 green chili finely cut. Salt 2 teaspoons for this. 1 and 2. Sugar is 2 teaspoons for this quantity. And 4 teaspoons of mustard seeds. And 4. That's it. Mix all this. And leave this overnight. Okay. So this is on the next day. And our pickle is ready to go in the bottle and just eat it and enjoy it. Yummy and delicious. Thank you so much. Devare Guru.